Welcome to the Appleholic channel, your one-stop source for Apple-related news, advice, and entertainment since 1999. As Apple continues to expand its product ecosystem, they are encouraging users to upgrade their older devices to the most up-to-date operating systems. It's important to upgrade your Apple device to the most recent version of the operating system available. That's because Apple plans to turn off access to their services for those devices running older versions of the operating system. Specifically, devices running older versions of macOS 10.13, watchOS 4, iOS/iPadOS 11, and tvOS 11 will no longer have access to the App Store, Maps, Siri, or any other Apple services. Apple will inform users before implementing this change. Fortunately, 87% of iPads and 92% of iPhones in active use already run operating systems from the last 2 years. 96% of iPhones shipped in the last 4 years also run the most recent OS. However, any devices running legacy iPhones, 9 years or older, will be affected if they do not upgrade. It's not just a good idea to upgrade, it's a safety risk. Older devices running outdated operating systems are more susceptible to attack by any number of cybersecurity threats and vulnerabilities. That's why businesses still running fleets of older devices must upgrade them or replace them. Most importantly, Apple is expected to introduce changes to their online services in the near future, and this change is likely to ensure all supported services can be used on the most up-to-date devices. For example, iOS 17 and iPadOS 17 are expected to abort support for certain models of iPhones and iPads released over 5 years ago. Likewise, Apple's latest operating systems may require a more powerful processor to function, as the company is expected to implement changes like the Neural Engine on iPhones, which is used for AI and machine learning tasks. At the end of the day, it's important to upgrade your Apple device to the most recent OS available, otherwise you risk exposure to security vulnerabilities and lose access to Apple services and features. Businesses should not only upgrade fleets of older devices, but Apple suggests replacing them if necessary, otherwise they are exposing themselves to a wide range of threats. On behalf of Appleholic,